everyone. I am Rukmini S, Assistant Professor of Psychology, Government First Grade College, Vijayanagara, Bangalore. So my presentation topic is on perceived stress and coping pattern among nursing students. The overview of my presentation is introduction of stress and coping strategies, review of literature, methodology, result and discussion, conclusion and references. Introduction of stress and coping. There are different ideas with respect to the definitions of stress. Perhaps the most common is physical, mental, and emotional strain and tensions. Stress is an internal state which can result from physical demands on the body by environmental and social circumstances which are assessed as hypothetical, harmful, exceptional, or resource for managing, according to Morgan C.T. Wesser J.R. Skopra in 1993. Managing is the process of spending mindful effort and energy to solve individual and interpersonal problems in the situation of stress. Coping mechanism seeks to control, minimize, and accept stress and stressors that occurs in normal life. Review of literature related to stress and coping. We reviewed the following literature relating to stress coping strategies. These studies help by enlightening us with the current research and focus on our study is on exclusive way. According to Farquhar and their colleagues in the year of 2017, they conducted the concentrating on group of medical students in Singapore across 4 years to derive cooperative differences from the medical students and viewpoint of identify common themes of students. In their research, they found three domains like relating construct to personal experience, interrelating stress, burnout, coping, and resilience, understanding the requirement of stress. According to Singh and their colleagues in the year of 2016, they conducted studies on medical students to assess support to stress and its related to general psychopathological, the pattern of coping and burnout. According to the result that indicate of statistical noteworthy association of perceived stress with the general psychopathological and gloomy anxiety component of burnout. So, rationale of the study is nursing students suffer from the high levels of stress connected to academic development in addition to scientific skills. Training as per her psychosocial phenomena, stress disturbs scholars' academic achievement and well-being. Coping mechanism help pupils to deal with the challenges arising from stress. Methodology of present research. The aim and objective to assess the apparent stress among nursing students and its relation with the coping pattern and to find the relation between perceived stress and coping pattern. Hypothesis of the present study. There is no relation between perceived stress and coping pattern among nursing students. Tools used for data collection. Perceived stress scale by Sheldon Cohen in the year of 1983. Brief coping scale by Carver CS in the year of 1997. Research design. The present study was intended to assess the apparent stress among nursing studying in Karnataka and its relation with the managing pattern. Research method we used for present study, descriptive survey method was employed to carry this part of research for population. Nursing students of various nursing colleges in Bangalore City, Karnataka instituted the population of the present study. Selection of students are sample size. Nursing students from different hospital colleges using stratified random sampling technique. The total sample was 162 volunteering participants. Study design and technique used for present study. Around 162 nursing students were taken up for the study. A good understanding was established between the investigator and respondent. The instructions of each part of the questions were effectively explained and care was taken to safeguard that they understood the questions. Each participant was entered to respond to each item in the questionnaires freely and frankly without any hesitations. Each applicant was requested to clarify to understanding before they tried to respond. Data analysis and techniques. In this study, various statistical tools and practice was used to according to the requirement of the study like mean, percentage, standard deviation, t-test and Spearman correlation technique. Using IBM SPSS package like a statistical package for the social science. Table 1 shows the correlation of perceived stress with the various coping measures. The result of Spearman test shows that there is a not more positive linear relationship between perceived stress and the following coping skills in the participant. Active coping, planning, using emotional support, mentoring, behavioral disengagement, self-destruction, positive reframing, denial, acceptance, religion, and there was not a significant linear relationship between perceived stress and the following coping skills in the participant. Using instrumental support, self-blame, humor, substance use, therefore, present study of nursing student does not fully support the null hypothesis that there is no relation between perceived stress and coping pattern among nursing students. In the present day of rising science and technology, it's a burden to the nursing students and they are predictable to learn and master a huge amount of knowledge, attitude and helps for which they consume to work hard, which in turn put them below a lot of stress according to full fantasy in the year of 1984. Further contest for maintaining balance between qualified and domestic from increased stress. Studies of medical students, various medical colleges in India and other countries worldwide recognize a high incidence of stress. Abdullagiri and his colleague in that 2011 and Gorkar in the year of 2015, Shivanand and P. Gobbar in 2016. According to them, they quoted like this. Conclusion. The present study also displayed a high stress level in nursing students. Our study has provided substantial findings in terms of association of perceived stress with coping strategies. The findings are further reinforced by earlier studies done both Indian and foreign medical colleges. It provides a sound groundwork for planning interference to reduce medical or nursing students' mental mobility and avoid burnout. The intervention the plan will help the student in improving their quality of work output both in professions and personal life. These are the reference I am used for my present study. Thank you given an opportunity from Government College for Women, principals, IPSC coordinator and all organizing committee. Thank you, one and all. Thank you.